Consider the story of Thomas Edison, one of history's most renowned inventors. A beacon of ingenuity and determination, his journey wasn't one of immediate success, but rather a testament to the power of perseverance. Edison, known best for his invention of the practical light bulb, didn't find success on his first try, or his second, or even his third. In fact, it took him a staggering 1,000 attempts before he could finally bask in the glow of his functioning creation. But did he view these attempts as failures? Far from it. In Edison's eyes, each unsuccessful attempt was not a failure, but rather a successful discovery of one more way that wouldn't work. His unwavering faith in his goal and his firm belief that each setback brought him a step closer to success was what kept him going. But let's pause for a moment and consider what this means. 1,000 attempts. That's 1,000 times where he could have thrown in the towel, 1,000 times where he could have let disappointment take over, 1,000 times where he could have given up on his dream. But he didn't. Instead, Edison embraced each setback with grace, viewing it not as a roadblock, but as a stepping stone towards his ultimate goal. He understood that success wasn't a destination to be reached, but a journey to be experienced, filled with obstacles to overcome and lessons to be learned. And so, he kept going. He persevered. He held on to his faith in his goal, in the face of adversity, in the face of doubt, in the face of thousands of unsuccessful attempts. And eventually, his perseverance paid off. This is the power of perseverance. It's not about never failing, but about never giving up. It's about understanding that each setback is a setup for a comeback, that each failure brings you one step closer to success. So remember this tale of Thomas Edison. When you find yourself facing obstacles in your own life, remember his perseverance, his unwavering faith in his goal, and his belief that each failure brought him one step closer to success. Thomas Edison once said, "Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time." Now hear it from those who have walked the path of relentless pursuit and unwavering faith. Welcome to the Symphony of Success, where the melody is composed of determination and the rhythm is the heartbeat of unwavering faith. We have gathered the voices of those who have braved the storm, weathered the challenges, and emerged victorious, not by chance, but by choice. Listen to the harmonious chorus of athletes who, with every drop of sweat, have shaped their destiny. They have sprinted, jumped, and swam, not only against their competitors, but also against their self-doubt. Their triumphant tales echo the power of never giving up, a testament to their unwavering faith in God and themselves. Now, let's tune in to the resonating voices of business leaders. They've navigated the turbulent oceans of the corporate world, steering their ships with the compass of faith and the map of perseverance. They've braved the storms of uncertainty, yet their faith in God and their goals remained unshaken. They are the captains of industry whose success stories are written in the ink of determination and resilience. Now let's listen to the harmonious notes of artists. With every stroke of their brush, every note on their instrument, every word in their script, they paint a picture of faith and tenacity. Their canvas is their journey. Their masterpiece is their success. Their art is a testament to their faith, a testament to their relentless pursuit of their goals. As we round off this symphony, let's not forget the underlying rhythm that binds these diverse voices together, the rhythm of perseverance, the rhythm of faith, It is this rhythm that fuels the relentless pursuit of goals. It is this rhythm that composes the symphony of success. As you can see, success doesn't come overnight. It's a journey of perseverance, faith, and relentless pursuit of your goals. Faith, whether in oneself, in a higher power, or in the process, plays a crucial role in our journey towards success. Let's take a moment to ponder on this. Faith isn't just about religious belief. It's a universal concept that transcends borders, cultures, and ideologies. It's about trusting in the unseen, the unproven, the not yet realized. It's the hopeful anticipation that propels us forward in the face of adversity and uncertainty. Consider the words of Steve Jobs, who once said, "You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future." This is a profound statement on the role of faith in our personal and professional lives. It's about trusting in the journey, even when the destination isn't in sight. Similarly, Oprah Winfrey, a beacon of success and inspiration, attributes much of her triumph to faith. She argues that faith is knowing that no matter what, you're going to be okay. And that's the kind of confidence that drives us forward, that keeps us going when the going gets tough. But faith isn't just about believing in the end goal. It's also about believing in yourself and your ability to overcome challenges. As the legendary boxer Muhammad Ali put it, it's the repetition of affirmations that leads to belief. And once that belief becomes a deep conviction, things begin to happen. Faith, then, is the fuel that powers our journey toward success. It's the unwavering belief in our dreams, in our ability to achieve them, and in the divine providence that guides us along our path. As we strive for our goals, let's remember to foster this faith within us. Let's trust in our journey, believe in our potential, and hold on to the conviction that the future holds great things for us. And so, as Martin Luther King Jr. said, faith is taking the first step, even when you don't see the whole staircase. Let's embrace this wisdom and take that first step towards our dreams, fueled by unwavering faith. So what is your goal? What is your dream? Each one of us has a unique journey, a unique story that's waiting to unfold. It's a path lined with dreams and aspirations, a road that's sometimes smooth, oftentimes rocky, but always leading forward if we dare to follow. Remember, the audacity of your dreams is not defined by their size, but by the strength of your belief in them. It's about the fire that burns inside you, the passion that fuels your every step. It's not about the destination, but the journey you undertake to get there. It's about the courage to take that first step, the perseverance to keep going when the going gets tough, the resilience to bounce back from setbacks, and the faith to believe that no matter what, you're on the right path. You see, the journey to success is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a test of endurance, of patience, of resilience. It's about standing tall in the face of adversity, about holding on to your dreams with unwavering faith. It's about embracing the journey with all its ups and downs, its twists and turns, and never losing sight of your destination. Each day is a new chapter in your story, a new opportunity to move closer to your dreams. So embrace it, seize it, make the most of it. Remember, it's not about how fast you go, but how far you're willing to go. The road to success is long and winding, but with perseverance and faith, you can reach any destination you set your heart on. Remember, your dreams are valid, your journey is unique, and your success is inevitable. So keep going, keep believing, keep dreaming. And remember, no matter how tough the journey gets, you are tower. As we conclude, ask yourself this: how strong is your faith in your dream? And how many times are you willing to try just one more time?